From the what? Low. So you can see the difference in the two candles for both buy and sell candle. Now, let's look at each of these properties very well. Now, what is high? High has to do with the highest price. High has to do with the highest price that the buyers bought. Do you understand? The highest price that the buyers bought at a particular time. The highest price that the buyers bought at a particular time. Remember when I was showing you your candle formations under support and resistance, I told you that for a candle to form, that it has to do with what? The timing. You understand? It has to do with timing. That means that you must form with respect to time. Must form with respect to time. So the candle form at a particular time. You understand? Uses time. You have 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 day, 1 month. You understand? So it uses time to form. So that's why we said that the high is the highest what? Price. You understand? That the buyer does what? Bought at a particular what? Time. You understand? That's the high. Then the weak. The weak, like we said from our support and resistance, the weak shows you the what? To tell you where there are what? Barriers in the market. You understand? Where there are barriers in the market, which we look into, we saw it under support and resistance. Then the open is the beginning of the market. You understand? The open is the beginning or the starting of the what? Market. Is the beginning or the starting of the market. We are looking at various properties of a candle before we now go into the candle theory itself, which we have started. Then I said the open is the what? Beginning or the what? Starting of the what? Market. You understand? When market starts at a particular time, that's open. You understand? Then the close is the ending of the market. The close is the ending of the market. The close is the ending of the market at a particular time. So it's the ending of the market. So the market starts, then close. That means the market starts, then you do what? End. You understand? So when market ends, we say the candle has done what? Close. You understand? That's the close of the candle at a particular time, because everything is with time. You could grab 1 hour, grab 1 minute, or the rest. Then the body indicates who is in control of the market. You understand? The body indicates who is in control of the market. I told you that the market is between the buyers and the what? Sellers. You understand? It's between the buyers and the sellers. So it indicates either the sellers is in control or the buyers is in control. You understand? So when I see the body, I'll know who was in control or who is in control of the market. You understand? So that's what the body does. Then we have the low. We have the low. The low is the lowest price. The low is the lowest price. The low is the lowest price that the market sold at a particular time. The low is the lowest price. The low is the lowest price that the market sold at a particular time. You get it? The lowest price that the market sold at a particular time is what is referred to as what? The low. You understand? Is what is referred to as the what? Low. So that's the low. Okay, these are the various properties of the candle. You understand? Now, let's look at the formation of